OASIS is brought to you by Discover the Palm Beaches. Every day offers a new beginning, a chance to move, to discover, to slow down. Welcome to OASIS. A wellness journey through one of America's most extraordinary destinations, the Palm Beaches. Here, movement becomes adventure. From sunrise workouts to paddleboarding, kayaking, and unexpected ways to energize your body. Curiosity becomes discovery. Meet the innovators, the healers, the creators, and the local experiences redefining what it means to live well. Then slow down, float, meditate, breathe, reconnect with nature and with yourself. Every episode uncovers experiences you can enjoy right here in Palm Beach County. Because wellness isn't about escaping life, it's about living it better. This is your time. This is your space. This is OASIS.